Students, this is question number 17. The diagram shows a rectangle OPQR with length of 11 cm and width is 4 cm. OQ is the diagonal and OPX is a sector of a circle with center O. Now we are asked to calculate the percentage of the rectangle that is shaded. So let me draw the rectangle. So this is the rectangle. So rectangle means clearly every corner has got 90 degrees. So have that in mind. Now this is the diagonal that is hitting the rectangle. This is given as 4 cm. This is given as 11 cm, and there is a sector of a circle that is moving like this, and this point is given as x, and all these things are shaded region. Now we have to find out the percentage of the rectangle that is shaded. Calculate the percentage of the rectangle that is shaded. So I take this as O, this as R, this as Q, this as P, and this is X. Okay, now foremost, what I wish to do is, I know this region is 4 centimeters. Now clearly this is going to be the radii of the sector. So this is also going to be 4. Now you see this is the diagonal. It's given that this is a diagonal. So this angle is going to be theta, which is 45 degrees. So we can find out the area of the sector, which is going to be theta over 360 multiplied with pi r squared. Okay, we can use that. So this is going to be 45 divided by 360 multiplied with pi r squared. This will be 45. 5 will divide here 9 times 5 will divide here 5 7s are 35, 1 2 72 times and 9 times 8. So you have pi r squared divided by 8, but r is going to be 4 units. So you have 4 multiplied with 4 divided by 8. 4 divides here 2 times, 2 divides here 2 times, so you have 2 pi. So this is going to be the area of the sector. Okay, 2 pi square units. So fair enough. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of the rectangle. Now that is going to be length into width. Okay, base into height or whatever you want, you can just state that. So length into width. So it's going to be 11 multiplied with 4 is equal to 44 square units. Now required area. What is the required area? Required area is equal to, from the area of the rectangle, you take away the area of the sector. Okay, so from 44 you take away 2 pi. Now I'm going to use 2 pi as 22 over 7. So that means 7 is the LCM. 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30. This is going to be 44. So 308 and 44, you have 4, 10, 6, 264. You divide 264 by 7. 7 3s are 21. You have 5, 7 7s are 49, and you have 5 remainder, right? So if you are going to be writing it as percentage, now we need to get that decimal point also. So I'm going to place a dot there and add a 0, so I get 7 there. So 7 sevens are 49, 50, 49, 1. Add a 0 there. I have a 7 and I have a 3, add a 0. So 37.71 is okay. 37.71. This is the required area, square units. But we need to get the percentage. Okay. So the total area of the rectangle. So what is the total area of the rectangle? Total area of the rectangle is 44 units. And this area is 37.71. So you need to get for 100%. So you use a calculator. So 37.71 divided by 44. You multiply by 100. You get 85.70 or 85.71. So 85.71%.